In today's fast-paced world, homeowners are becoming more conscious of their energy consumption and looking for ways to cut costs without sacrificing comfort. This Amazon Smart Thermostat, a cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize how you control the temperature of your home. Whether you're looking to save money, reduce your carbon footprint, or simply upgrade your old thermostat, this device has everything you need to take control of your home's climate. Why you should upgrade to the Amazon Smart Thermostat. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is not just a device for regulating your home's temperature. It's an innovative piece of technology that integrates seamlessly with your smart home ecosystem. If you're already using Amazon Alexa and other smart devices, this thermostat will be a perfect fit. But even if you're new to smart home technology, the Amazon Smart Thermostat offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to set up and start saving money from day one. Number 1. Smart upgrade for your home. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is a simple yet effective way to upgrade from your traditional manual thermostat. Here's why. Seamless integration with Alexa. The thermostat works flawlessly with Alexa, allowing you to set temperatures, create schedules, and control your heating and cooling remotely. With just your voice or the Alexa app, you can change your home's temperature to suit your needs. Works with Echo devices. The thermostat also works with compatible Echo devices like the Echo Dot 4th and 5th Gen and Echo Dot with Clock 5th Gen, giving you more flexibility in managing your home's climate. These devices act as temperature sensors, ensuring that your home's temperature is always consistent, even in rooms with hot or cold spots. Number 2. Save money on your energy bills. One of the most significant benefits of the Amazon Smart Thermostat is its ability to help you save money by reducing your home's energy usage. Here's how. Energy Star certified. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is Energy Star certified, which means it meets high energy efficiency standards. According to the EPA, Energy Star certified thermostats can save the average household up to $50 annually on energy bills. Rebates and savings. After purchasing the thermostat, you'll receive an email with information about rebates that may be available from energy providers in your area. These rebates can help offset the initial cost of the device, making it even more affordable. Number 3. Customizable temperature control. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and welcome a new level of convenience with the Amazon Smart Thermostat. Temperature sensors. Using compatible Echo devices as temperature sensors, you can target specific rooms or areas of your home. This feature is especially useful if you have rooms that are often too hot or too cold, as the thermostat will make sure those areas are brought to the perfect temperature. Alexa-driven control. With Alexa, you can set the thermostat to switch between your home, away, and sleep modes automatically. Whether you're on vacation or winding down for the night, the Amazon Smart Thermostat ensures your home is always at the ideal temperature. Number 4. Easy installation and setup. You don't need to be a tech expert to install the Amazon Smart Thermostat. The setup process is designed to be as simple and intuitive as possible. Step-by-step guidance. The Alexa app will guide you through the entire installation process. It walks you through each step, so you don't need to worry about complex wiring or configurations. C-wire required. To ensure compatibility, the Amazon Smart Thermostat requires a C-wire. Make sure you have a C-wire before purchasing, or consult the installation guide to determine if your current setup supports this. Customer support. If you run into any issues during installation, Amazon's customer support team is always available to help. Whether you need assistance with setup or troubleshooting, they're ready to provide solutions and make sure your thermostat is working as expected. Number 5. Built by Honeywell Home Technology. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is powered by Honeywell Home Thermostat Technology, which has been trusted for over 130 years. Here's why that's important. Proven reliability. Honeywell's thermostats are known for their durability and dependability. The Amazon Smart Thermostat incorporates this renowned technology, ensuring that you're getting a product built to last. Precision control. Thanks to Honeywell's industry-leading expertise, the Amazon Smart Thermostat offers precise temperature control, helping you maintain a comfortable home environment while maximizing energy efficiency. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.